Today we talk about how can you enable this sign on your how you can do that on your eToro app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just go here above this sign, click on it, and you just click on it here. Then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, so you just click here on settings here. Then it's going to take you to next step. It's going to show for you like this. Then you click here on notifications. So then it's going to take you to this list. Just click here on clip. Sorry, we will go back. You click here on a copy trader here. Just click on it here. You come here to copy stop loss updates. Click here in this sign. Like you see this color super as that's mean here copy stop loss updates notifications enabled with us now. That's all you have to do. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking, subscribe.